Step into the 2018 Chevrolet Volt. With fewer than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded hatchback segment. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.